चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। सांस थमती गई, नब्ज जमती गई, फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को न रुकने दिया। कट गए सर हमारे तो कुछ गम नहीं, सर हिमालय का हमने न झुकने दिया। मरते मरते रहा बागपन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जान तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। जिंदा रहने के मौसम बहुत है, मगर जान देने की रुत रोज आती नहीं। हुस्न और इश्क दोनों को रुसवा करे, वो जवानी जो खून में नहाती नहीं। आज धरती बनी है दुल्हन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे
because the counter attack was already on. 7th July early morning I was sitting and firing towards the enemy. That is the time a hand grenade was lobbed from the enemy. The grenade landed right in front of my feet. When I got severely injured by the enemy grenade, Captain Vikram Batra came running towards my post, and sensing the danger that enemy could have launched a counter-attack as well as lobbed more grenades into the bunker in which I was sitting, he held my hand and dragged me out of that particular bunker. Probably that saved my life because the counter-attack was already on. Having saved my life, he continued with the attack. Captain Vikram Batra, with disregard to his personal safety, charged upon the feature, taking the only way which was available, that is the frontal attack, thereby eliminating the enemies and in the bargain making the supreme sacrifice of losing his life, but not before hoisting the tricolor on .4875. I joined 13th Battalion Jammu and Kashmir Rifles during January 1999. During that time, Captain Vikram Batra had gone to attend his commando course. That is the time I first came across this officer. I remember one instance in which the enemy shouted at us कि हमें माधुरी दीक्षित दे दो तो हम ये फीचर छोड़ देंगे. So Captain Vikram Batra says he fires from all the cylinders. He fires from all the AK-47 which he was holding, and says with love from Madhuri Dixit, thereby eliminating a few of them. That is how an officer he was, with full of even in the face of death, even in the face of fear, he had the ability to show courage. He had the presence of mind to make fun of that event too. Before setting out for the attack, it's customary for all the officers to hug each other. When I came to hug Captain Vikram Batra, he told me a couple of things. One is, गले लगना यारो न जाने कौन सी मुलाकात आखिरी होगी. That almost moved me into tears. The second thing which he told me was कि तुमको बहुत आगे जाना है, हिम्मत नहीं हारना. And I personally, having known Captain Vikram Batra, do remember him day in and day out. As I told, I wish the last hug was necessary, and I wish I could have.
का एक जांबाज योद्धा कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा, जिसने कारगिल युद्ध के दौरान पाकिस्तानी सेना और घुसपैठियों को मारकर 5 महत्वपूर्ण चोटियों पर कब्जा किया. जीतने की हसरत इस जाबाज के दिल में हिलोरे मारती थी.
Before announcing for the attack, and it was like Bravo Company's success signal, वो आया, which was passed to our CEO Colonel Joshi on the radio set. After another bunker was captured, my company's success signal was ये दिल मांगे मोर.
चोटी संख्या 4875 पर अपने घायल साथी अफसर को बचाते हुए ये भारत माँ का लाल शहीद हो गया. भारत सरकार ने इस जांबाज सिपाही को मरणोपरांत परमवीर चक्र से नवाजा. श्री S7 न्यूज शहीद कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा की शहादत को सलाम करता है.